Hey everyone, let's take a look at the new Camelbak Podium water bottle for cyclists. Welcome to Gadget Blues, this is Casey, and today we are taking a look at the brand new Camelbak Podium water bottle for cyclists. I know that a water bottle doesn't seem like a very exciting thing, but for those of us who spend a lot of hours each week on the bike, I drink about 10 bottles worth out of one of these bottles every week, and I've sworn by the previous Camelbak Podium for something like 8 years now. It has its disadvantages, particularly it's very difficult to clean. You have to lever off the valve like that and then pop this intersection out, which is rather difficult, and then get it back on, which is also a little bit annoying. So cleaning this has not been the best feature of the bottle, but otherwise it's been very reliable. It closes firmly and doesn't leak when I'm shaking it up on the road and so forth. The new version has a radically redesigned lid and a little bit of a different body shape as well. You can see it's got a bit of a wasp waist kind of thing going on there for easier grip. I haven't decided whether I prefer that over the old design or not. But the valve is the big difference here. We have a valve that's much easier to clean because this bit on the back pops right off. And you can get right to the valve to clean it. It looks like the rest of this can disassemble if it gets really dirty. I did do a casual attempt to pop this out, and it's extremely difficult, so hopefully I'll be able to keep it clean without popping that out. The only disadvantage here is that you have to leave this out for it to dry properly after you wash it, and if you forget to put it back in before you leave, you go to shake up the bottle for your drink mix out on the road, and it's going to fly all over the place. So make sure that you put the insert back in. I'm not quite 100% acclimated to that routine, but I'm sure I will get around to it sooner or later. Also, the valve is really tight, particularly on this brand new water bottle. Hopefully it will ease up over time as I use it, because right now, if you don't torque the lid down pretty tightly on the bottle, when you go to open the valve, it can unscrew the lid instead. So bear that in mind. As for the weight, on the old bottle, we're looking at 74 grams, and the new one is a teeny heavier at 81 grams. So we're paying the price in just a few grams of weight for that easier to clean valve. I think that's worth it overall. So that's a look at the new Camelbak Podium. I think it is a thumbs up. Time will tell how easy to clean the valve really is and how much gunk builds up in there despite the removable insert. And I will get around to remembering to put the insert back in after cleaning. If you're a fan of the previous Camelbak Podium, check it out. I really prefer this type of open-close valve rather than the one that pulls, because I've broken a couple of teeth getting hit by a car on my bike, and I don't want to have to grab that with my teeth to open it. So I prefer the rotary valve design, so I'm not tempted to use my teeth. That's it for this review. Stay safe out there. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next Gadget Blues.